Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Beautiful setting sun. And now let's take a look at this beautiful thing. This interesting thing. What do you think this is? This is the third stage, and this is the second stage, and this is the first stage. So these are capers, and this time in Napoli, in Italy, we saw these capers, and yeah, so here at home, my family planted. So this is the little bush, not yet open up. You can eat it, it's tender. And then the flowers start to open up, the flower fall off, become this caper berry. They are quite delicious and quite unique. I love them. Bon appetito.